Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to rotate view in Ultimaker Cura. It's not that hard, it's pretty simple basically. So what you're going to do is on your mouse right click on it, and then you can, as you can see, turn this however you prefer. Now I will also give you extra things. So if you have this wheel in your mouse, you can zoom in, zoom out. But if you hold down the this wheel, you can move this freely wherever you want. So it's basically everything you can do on the mouse. So right click, you can rotate view. Then with this wheel, you can zoom in, zoom out, and move the object uh, basically however you prefer. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next